Siomai.
Siopao. Siomai. Okay.
Siopa. Suman. Siopa. Siomai. Siopa. Suman. Sopas. Siomai. Sioma.
Is under overdue. You'll sign the collar tree. First wish. First wish? Wish si Jollibee na maging mas malakas at malusog na pangatawan like our best friend, Jollibee. Ayan. For our second wish, wish si Jollibee na maging mas matalino at may matalas sa pag-iisip kagaya ng ating best friend, Jollibee. And for our last wish, wish si Jollibee na si Ma'am Bea ay na maging mas malisanin at higit sa lahat, may takot sa Diyos. Okay, palakpakan naman natin si best friend for his 3 wishes. Ayan, hinahambas na ako ni best friend. Okay, best friend. Ay sabay-sabay natin dapatin si Ma'am Bea ng isang malakas at masayang happy birthday in a count 3, 2, and 1.
Happy birthday!
Okay, happy birthday Ma'am Bea from Jollibee Antipolo Capital. You may now make your wish and blow the candle. Surprise for you, surprise mo yan. This is a special day for you. And
Ako natin, we are able to pass this to the next leaders. So, maraming salamat po and ingat pag-uwi.